read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum. My dear students, Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Are you waiting to learn something new? Oh my God, look over here. It's your favorite animal, monkey. But we are going to learn monkey's first sound, its formation and different vocabulary words that start from letter M. It's lowercase letter m. We will learn. Why are you happy? It's not too much funny. First of all, okay, let's start the work. First of all, I will teach you how to write letter M, its formation, its sound and vocabulary words. After that, we will make fun like monkey. Let's start. Start from the red dot. You could say start from the second line. Start from second line, come straight down, jump and jump. Jump and jump again. It will make lowercase letter m, or you could say small letter m. The letter name is M. The sound of M is Maryam. Monkey. Mango. Yummy and juicy. Mango. And where I am standing? On the mat. Same like that. The monkey sits on the mat. The monkey sits on the mat. Okay, tell me the name of animal. Yes, it's monkey. And where's the monkey sit? Look over here. Where does the monkey sit? On the mat. M is for Maryam. Maryam. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for mat. Mat. M is for mango. It's yummy. It's juicy. It's delicious. Now it's time to mime. Let's start. What are we going to do? Use a stick to make magic happen and say magic. I hope so. You enjoyed a lot today's lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.